These saplings are thriving. The soil is perfect. Yes, but we must check for pests. This one looks strong. Agreed. A promising future. The flow is steady. Open the main valve. Opening now. Pressure is optimal. Good. Monitor the channels. Confirmed. The Santol trees will thrive.
Okay, starting with this tree. Fruit size? About 6 centimeters. Color is yellowish green. Got it. Entering now. Looks healthy. No spots. Saving. Next tree.
These Santol clusters are developing well. Let's protect them. Yes, the bags will keep pests away. Good work. The harvest will be plentiful. Let's examine this Santol's texture. The skin is smooth, but with a slight firmness. This is a good quality fruit. These are perfectly ripe. Let's pick them carefully. Yes, twisting gently preserves the branch. A fine harvest today. Indeed, the fruits are beautiful. Throughput is steady at 1200 fruits per minute. Excellent. Quality metrics look good. Initiating final batch now. Confirmed. Monitoring. Approaching the Santol pallets now. Lifting the load. Transporting to the storage area. Delivery complete.
Labeling this crate now. 20 kilos net weight. Okay, the invoice shows 50 crates total. This is the last one, ready for inspection. Good, I'll double check the certificate of origin.
Refrigerated storage units preserve Santol freshness under controlled conditions.
Let's start the quality check.
Okay, I'll prepare the beaker.
Submerging the sample now,
Observe the reaction.
placing it on the scale.
5.23 grams. Pass.
The yield projections are very promising. Excellent. What are the numbers? And the quality? Quality is excellent. Look at the fruits. Good. Let's plan the harvest.
The yield from Block C is higher today. Yes, I see. Update the average. Confirm. Data saved.
Let's trim this one for better light. Good. That should help the fruit grow. Let's check the uniformity of this batch. Agreed. This one's color is slightly off. Yes, see the variance? We need to sort these. I'll check the next row.
These look ripe. Let's get them sorted. Yes, these are perfect for the crates. I'll start filling the crates. Good. We'll distribute these this afternoon.
These Santol crates are ready for the export truck. Good. Load the pallet next. Check the speed on the Santol line. Yes, adjusting now. Good. Monitor the feed. Looks optimal now. Excellent work.
Let's verify the Santol labels. Checking weight and origin text. This one looks aligned. Good. Rotate to check the sides. All clear. Logging the batch now.
These valves are crucial for the Santol trees. Let's check the pressure. Pressure is good. The trees look healthy. Yes, the fruit is thriving. Let's move to the next row. Ready to load these Santol cartons onto the truck. Yes, let's move. Keep them steady. Careful with that one. It's secure. Next one. All set.
Check each one carefully for ripeness. Yes, separate the ripe ones into this basket. Good. Keep the pace steady. These look perfect for market.
The phytosanitary certificate is approved. Let's verify the quantities. Agreed. The net weight matches the invoice. Good. Check the packing list for compliance. It's compliant. The UAE shipment is ready. Excellent. Let's finalize it. This line is secure. Checking the emitters now. Mine too. Flow is steady. Good. Let's check the next row. Right behind you.
The Santol yield in the north region has increased significantly. Yes, a 20% rise. The growth trend is also positive. Exactly. The south is underperforming. We need to adjust. Agreed, breaker now.
These Santol look ripe. What do you think? Yes, the color is right. Let me feel. This one is firm. A good sign. They are ready. We should pick more.
Controlled climate chambers preserve Santol quality before shipment. Precise temperature and humidity control ensure freshness. This advanced process minimizes spoilage and maintains export standards.
Flow rate is steady. Quality looks good. Agreed. Let's keep monitoring for consistency. Sample is clear and pure. Excellent.
Stainless steel tanks store processed Santol products securely.
These clusters need thinning for balanced growth. Yes, this will help the remaining fruits grow larger. Careful, don't damage the main stems. Understood.
Let's get these Santol products packed for the UAE market first. I'm on the tape. These will be ready soon. I'll label them. We need to finish the Qatar batch by noon.
The Santol trees are thriving. Our yields are excellent. Agreed. But are these practices sustainable? We use drip irrigation and natural compost. Good. This balances growth with conservation.
Okay, records show 500 crates of Santol on shelf 5. Checking now. The crate is full. Good. The tablet matches. Perfect. Let's move to the next aisle. Agreed.
See the new growth here? The leaves are vibrant. Yes, but the bark on this side looks dry. We should check the soil moisture. It could be stressed. Good idea. Let's monitor it closely.
The market is thriving. We should expand into these Santol orchards. I agree. This space could host new stalls and attract more vendors. Exactly. Let's plant them craft stalls. A wonderful idea. The community will benefit.
Let's measure the rind thickness, placing the ruler across the fruit. The rind is about 2.8 centimeters thick. That's a thick rind, characteristic of the Santol fruit.
Gentlemen, the Santol nutrient reports are quite promising. Note the high vitamin C and fiber content, and the antioxidant levels are impressive. Yes, this could be very marketable. Agreed. We'll highlight these benefits. Line these up straight for the container. Understood. I'll start sealing this row. Good. Make sure the seals are tight. Will do. This batch is ready.
I've picked 150 Santol fruits so far. Okay, logging that now. Weight, about 45 kilograms. Got it. Submitting the data. Perfect. On to the next tree.
The yield for variety C has increased by 15%. That's good, but the growth rate is below target. We should review the irrigation data. Agreed. Let's optimize that.
Let's inspect the seal integrity on this Santol tree. Check for any punctures or weak points in the film. The label and expiration are correct, no issues. Good. Now verify the shipping box. Proceeding.
Stack the crates for the next shipment. Yes, and these Santol are ready. Good. Check the labels. Labels are correct. Excellent. Let's finish up.
The bill of lading confirms 500 cartons of Santol fruit. And the commercial invoice matches. Let's verify the weight Sanankistan. Good. Now, the certificate of origin.
The soil here is perfect for expansion. Yes, but irrigation is a concern. This plan shows the channels. Ah, I see. That solves it. We'll start planting next season.
Make sure these crates are full and secure. Understood. We're checking the quality now. Good. The truck will be here soon. This crate is ready to go.